let's check out these Kenda small block 8 tires. So when it comes to Kenda tires, these actually I think are one of the best out there, because not only the price is absolutely great on these, so I literally only paid like $7 for one tire essentially, so which is absolutely crazy cheap. So this over here is 26 inch tire, so this size, so 2.1 inch essentially, and we have the slightly better 60 TPA casing over here, and this is a wire bead basically over here. Also what I like about these tires is that not only they're obviously very cheap, but also the rolling resistance also is very decent on these. So they're actually quite crunched up at the moment, because I just literally took these out of the packaging, but we'll install them and they will obviously look better. When it comes to manufacture, obviously these are made in China, so no wonder there. So you see, we actually have quite a lot of grip on these tires here, but at the same time, once you actually properly inflate them, so essentially only this part basically gets contacted with the ground, so you also have very good rolling resistance. So also they are actually very lightweight. So in this size I measured, it was only 603 grams, so almost exactly 600 grams. So in this size, 600 grams for this price, I think that's absolutely great as well. And when it comes to build quality, these actually are surprisingly decent. Again, this is actually not even the cheapest brand, so I guess this is some kind of mid-range basically. But again, so literally I think I paid only like $7 for these during some offer. Regular price maybe slightly more, but again, so these are one of the cheapest tires still you can get. So in this size, for the rolling resistance, also very good weight, and also yeah, like grip, I think this is absolutely awesome choice. And this is what they look like when they're mounted on. So I have already covered maybe like 60 or 70 kilometers now on them. So yeah, and actually I'm very impressed in these. So even though, as you see, they obviously has got quite a lot of knobs on them, obviously only the center part obviously touches the road, so they actually roll like incredibly fast and also very quiet as well. So at the same time, basically I installed this. I also got some CST tire to check it out, so this CST Maverick, and let me tell you, this easily is like at least 2 or 3 times better tire than the CST one. So yeah, if you're looking for very affordable good tire that's also like very fast, but also with a very good grip, I think this is absolutely awesome tire. And I think I'll be ordering another of the same tire to basically put on the front as well, so that one probably use somewhere else. But yeah, if you're looking for very affordable, like decent tire, that this is pretty much impossible to beat. So they literally feel like much higher, more expensive tire. Also weight is very good as well, so yeah. So yeah, overall actually very satisfied with it. Like